Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn your videos into animation or how to change the style of your videos using the power of AI. So the tool that we are going to use is called lensgo.ai, and once you go ahead and open the website, sign in or sign up for a free account here, and you are ready to go. Now in here, simply from the AI tools here, click on style transfer, and here you want to upload the video that you want to apply the style to. So I'm going to upload the video right here, and this is a video of like a person looking at the camera. So the video is now uploading, and while the video is uploading, let's check out the other settings. So you have many styles to choose from, like Pixar, Ghibli, Studio, Fire, MS Paint, 90s 3D games, Lego, Walking Dead, and others. So let's choose, for example, JoJo. Okay, and here the style strength is normal or high. Video duration, let's keep it as the 5 seconds. FPS normal. Of course, the other options are conserved for the pro users. Okay, now here, no watermark. Of course, this is for pro, and private mode is also for pro. And now in the prompt here, describe what happened in the video. This allows the AI model to better generate your video. So, a girl slowly turning her head to look at the camera. Okay, and once your video is uploaded, you can generate the video for 15 credits. You get 100 credits here for free, and they are valid for a month. So let's generate the video, and now give it some time in order to finish your video. And after some wait here, my video is finally done. So you have to give it like a few minutes. It took like 5-6 minutes, and your video is now done. So let's preview it here. The style is JoJo, and it focuses more on the reference video. So let's play it. As you can see, it looks great. It took the same style that I chose, and it applied it perfectly to the character. Now you can create again, changing the style as you want, or just download the created video here. Of course, since you are a free user, it will have the watermark. So if you click on download, it'll start downloading your video right away.